In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a four-wheel brake bleed on your Mitsubishi Outlander. This is going to be located behind all of your wheels and in the engine bay. Let's get started. We're going to go up front in our engine bay to our master cylinder cap. We're going to clean all around this cap, get all the dust and dirt away from it. On our cap it says .4. That's going to be the fluid we're going to be using in this master cylinder. We're going to remove our cap, take a look at it, make sure this boot on the inside isn't torn. We're going to put that off to the side. Inside of there we're going to have a filter. You can reach in, grab that filter and remove it. I'm going to put that with the cap. Using a fluid extraction device, we're going to remove the old fluid from the master cylinder as best as we can. Move that to our collection bucket. Repeat this process until you have all of the old fluid out, the best you can. We're going to fill our master cylinder. Make sure you're using the correct fluid. And we're going to continue filling until we hit our max line on our reservoir. Once you have your reservoir full, we're going to put that filter back in and close up our master cylinder. Our brake bleed process is going to start on our left rear wheel, and then we're going to move to the right front wheel. We'll then move to the right rear, and then left front being our last. We're going to get started on our left rear wheel. This will be our first wheel in the sequence. Remove the bleeder cap from the bleeder screw. We're going to install a collection bucket with a hose. I'm going to use an 8mm wrench on my bleeder. We're going to attach that hose to the bleeder. Now we have an assistant in the car. He's going to pump our brake pedal up for us. Go ahead. And he's going to hold. We're going to crack that bleeder. We're going to watch all of the fluid come out until he hits the floor. He'll let us know, and then we can snug that bleeder back down. And we're going to repeat this process until we have all clean fluid with no bubbles coming out of our hose. Go ahead. And we'll do that one more time. Now that we have that nice clean fluid with no bubbles, we're going to remove that bucket. Remove your wrench. Using a clean rag with some brake clean, we're going to wipe down the area, clean up any mess we made. Reinstall that bleeder cap. And now the next wheel we're going to go to is the right front. Remove the cap off the master cylinder and top off the master cylinder. Install the cap back on. Remove the bleeder cap off of the bleeder. And install an 8mm wrench. I'm going to install a collection bottle with a hose onto the end of the bleeder. Now we have an assistant in the car. Go ahead and pump them up. Go ahead. Go ahead. And here we're just repeating the same process we did on that left rear wheel. We had nice clear fluid with no bubbles. And we can take off that bottle. Remove that wrench. Give the area a good wipe. Reinstall the bleeder cap. Now that we've finished bleeding two of the wheels, we're going to go back to our master cylinder and we're going to top it off. Remove the cap off the master cylinder and top off the master cylinder. Install the cap back on. With the master cylinder full and our brakes bled, we're going to hop into the car, check that pedal. If we have a nice firm pedal, we're good to go. If you don't, repeat this process until you do. Once you're done with your procedure, put the vehicle on the ground with all the wheels and torque them to 80 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.